Okay, so here I am on my walk. I've just arrived at this waterfall area. Look at that, isn't it awesome? And I'm sharing this with you because if you can't get out in nature, like my little intuitive reading I told you the other day, then I'm bringing it to you. And I want you to connect in and let that water wash away, that waterfall wash away any worries, any stress, any low dense energies, and allow the healing of nature. Just breathe that in. Let me know if you love this waterfall in the comments, and I'll keep bringing you more. Sending all the love. Bye.